Sometimes, the most dangerous thing is not lack of education, but losing common sense because of fear. What if I told you? A simple hot dog seller was building a successful business with confidence, until educated people convinced him that failure was coming. This story will teach you that education is powerful, but good judgment is even more powerful. Let us see the story called, Education Does Not Mean Good Judgment. There once was an old man who sold hot dogs by the roadside. He wasn't highly educated, he couldn't read newspapers. He didn't listen to the radio, and he never watched television. But despite all that, he worked hard every single day. He believed in his product. He believed in service. And most importantly, he believed in himself. Every morning, he woke up early, prepared fresh hot dogs, and greeted customers with a smile. Because of his positive attitude and consistency, more people started buying from him. Soon, business became so good that he decided to buy more sausages and buns. Then he hired helpers. As demand kept growing, he bought a bigger stove and expanded his small roadside business. Little by little, the old man's hot dog stand became extremely successful. Then one day, his son returned home from college. The son was highly educated. After observing the business for a few days, he asked his father, "Father, haven't you heard? The economy is going through a major recession. Businesses are collapsing everywhere. Times are going to get very bad." The old man became worried. He thought, "My son is educated. He reads newspapers. He listens to experts. Surely he knows better than I do." So the father started doubting himself. The next day, he bought fewer sausages. He reduced the quality of service. He stopped smiling at customers. He avoided spending money on the business. Gradually, customers stopped coming. Sales dropped. Profits disappeared. And within a short time, the business that was once booming began to fail. The father looked at his son and said, "You were right. We really are in a recession." But the truth was, the recession did not destroy the business. Fear did. Negative thinking did. Loss of confidence did. The old man had succeeded because of belief, action, and persistence. But the moment he allowed fear and negativity to control his judgment, everything changed. Moral of this story is education gives knowledge, but knowledge without confidence and good judgment can lead to fear and poor decisions. Never allow negativity, rumors, or fear to destroy your vision. Listen to advice, but think for yourself. Many people fail not because opportunities disappear, but because they stop believing in themselves. Confidence builds success. Fear destroys it. Sometimes, the simplest mindset wins over the most educated opinion. And remember this, your future is not decided by the economy, it is decided by your attitude, your actions, and your belief in yourself. So never stop believing in your dream, because success belongs to those who keep moving forward even when the world says slow down. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Growthwin Media, where stories build champions. See you in the next lesson of success.